Hello, I am back working on this droid here. I've decided to not stream it because I don't know when I will have time to stream. So I am just going to do recordings technically while I am at work, and we'll go from there. Let's see. So, what time am I starting? About 8. Where were we? The lighting is also a little strange, so bear with me here. So I had done... okay, so I'm right about here. I had made this piece here. Where's my video camera? Oh man, that's bright. Okay, let me move this lamp up. See if that helps any. So I made this piece, which is like wire looking pieces on one side and these coily pieces on the other. And that is getting hooked to this arm piece, which I was calling a leg piece previously, I think. No, maybe that's a different piece. B26. This one is B. Oh, where's my sheet? B26 is this piece here. Where are my snippers? Okay, drop that down. Now let's go back to where we were. Wait, am I that far? Yes. I'm getting confused. Oh, B18. I jumped down here. I'm actually still possibly up here. Oh geez. Stopping and then starting again. I'm losing it. B18. Similar looking. It's this one here. Wonder if I should put something on that other one so I know that that's B26. So this one's B18. Move that over here. Do I have any sticky labels? Give me 1 second, I will pause the video. There, hopefully you can't even tell I was gone because I was gone so little. Okay, so this one is B18. Let me mark this off. And I found a little sticky label. And I wrote B26 on it, stuck that piece to it. See how that goes. Okay, so B18. It just says to fold up these 2 little flaps. It's like dark or light on this camera. Not good either way. Alright, so fold up this flap and this flap here. And then I need A19. So I guess that's all I'm doing with that one. A19 is back on this sheet. It's this little piece here. There's a second one of these on B. So I may need to do this a second time. Okay, so with this, I want my flat pliers. I'm just folding these two. It's like a flap, like that. And like that. So it's not coiled, it's just a flat piece there. Da, 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 da. And this is going to go into the painted side. And one of these. It looks like it's going up here, right below the circular shape. Get in there. I need to bend it in further. There we go. Okay, so that goes in like that. I assume I need to bend these out or in. Okay, let's hope that's right. Then I need one of these guys, which is not bent as well as I would like. It may just have to do. It could be a little more rounded. That's a little better. I poked it up from the inside. Oops, that doesn't need to be as curved in. Flatten that back out. And then this is going to go into the bottom two slots. That's not in focus at all, is it? I turned off the autofocus to see if that would help, but I think it might have made it worse. Does this have another? Oh, it does. There's a center one also that this other piece is going to go into. Okay, so that goes in the center right below the other one I just put on. And these two might need to get bent in a little further. In there. Ah, I think I did it. Oh, nope, I just popped it back out. And back in. Okay. I'm not sure which is the best way to bend those. I think I hooked it. Let's hope that's right. I don't know how I'll get it back apart if it's wrong. Okay, and then I need this big piece here that I was showing off earlier. This is going to go on the front. There are 4 pieces that go into these circular shaped cuts. Maybe. Oh, does this go down in there? This might go around that. Okay, I need to spread this apart a little more to make room for that box shape. This box shape here, this goes kind of around it. And then this goes in all those holes. Maybe. How do they even figure these out? Alright, I can get that one in. I don't know. I think I need to bend these in a little further. Oh, there we go. Those all went in very nicely at that point. Just had to bend them in. Okay, and then bend these like that. Does this go inside the ring? Probably. I hope that's right. And then this is going to get attached to the other arm part that we did somehow. Oh, I see. There's the newer one that we've been working on, there's outer edged little holes for the sticks from this one to go into. It doesn't say to bend these 2 pieces up, so I guess I'll just leave them. Okay, that went in there. That went in there. This one is not. Okay, try again. I think this one flap is bent wrong. Okay, try again. That went in there easily. Maybe I should try the bottom first. I used to do cross stitching with very small thread count until like my eyes got worse. I haven't saved myself. This is just as bad. Oh, is that flap in the way? That flap's in the way. Okay, hang on. Pardon me. Pull this back out. I think I need to bend these 2 from the other piece in. That was part of the problem. When in doubt, bend in? I don't know. Okay, trying again. Into the holes. So far, so good. Get that one in there. That one's in, that one's in, that one's in, and that one's in. They're all in. Okay. So let's do some bending. I guess in. And that, and that. Okay, now let me see if I can show you what I've completed here. Get some tweezers. So, I think I have to turn the autofocus back on. Give me a second. Camera, configure, input, autofocus. Okay, so we have it's still not focusing.